नमस्कार दोस्तों, आज हम जानेंगे EOQ, इकोनॉमिक ऑर्डर क्वांटिटी. व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय दिस? हाउ डज दिस वर्क? हाउ टू कैलकुलेट इट एंड हाउ टू कंट्रोल EOQ because it impact inventory and financial health of company. So it is very important to know the EOQ, economic order quantity. Now let us know what is EOQ. Economic order quantity or EOQ is the size of an order that organization uses to understand how much inventory is necessary to stock in store. So EOQ can help companies identify to reduce ordering and carrying cost, and operational and supply chain management professionals often uses EOQ to ensure inventory orders stay within the company budget. How to calculate it? EOQ is 2 into annual demand into cost per order divided by carrying cost per unit under root of this all. So what is carrying cost? Carrying cost is the cost of inventory which carry in our store, like rent, utility and other expenses are the business carrying cost. Insure on unsold product is also a carrying cost. Cost for purchase order or cost per order. Ordering, we also say it, ordering cost is the expenses or the expenses your company incur to purchase and receive the product in its stock or in the store, including shipping fees, unexpected transportation cost, inspection fees and other expenses necessary to acquire the inventory products. Now annual demand is the total demand of a part item that is to be stocked in the store. The annual demand is in metric, means in measurable quantity. What is inventory planning? We should know what is inventory planning. In our industry, there are two type of industry. One is manufacturing industry and second is trading company or industry. So in manufacturing company, inventory are the raw material, finished good and spare parts. And in trading company, only finished good is the inventory part or which contribute to the inventory. So we control the input raw material while planning the inventory management. Inventory planning and inventory tracking of the raw material is necessary. While planning inventory, we must realize that we must take care of analyzing the demand should be correct, what to order and when to order and how much to order is very important while planning the inventory for the raw material and brought out parts. How to order the inventory for the raw material or brought out parts? We have to take care of three things: economic order quantity, continuous ordering and periodic ordering. Means if there is controllable inventory it is required, then we have go for the economic order quantity, determine optimal order quantity for the stock. And in continuous ordering we define a safety stock of item in our store. Then if item reach to that level, then we give the order to supplier for the supply of the material. In periodic ordering, we order after a fixed period of time. How to calculate EOQ? Cost of inventory control contain four cost: material cost, ordering cost, carrying or holding cost and stock out cost. We have annual demand of the order, and we accordingly we order the quantity, or depending there is an intersection of total carrying cost and the annual ordering cost is called as the EOQ. We must have to order this quantity. In EOQ assumption क्या क्या है? परचेज कॉस्ट कांस्टेंट होना चाहिए, नो स्टॉक आउट कॉस्ट होनी चाहिए. मीन्स when we get out of the stock, there will be production loss. That should not happen. Variable cost in EOQ are the ordering cost and carrying or holding cost. As the Q is the intersection of annual ordering quantity and total carrying cost. Ordering cost decreases. As Q increases, carrying or holding cost increases. So total cost is ordering cost plus carrying or holding cost. How to calculate the EOQ? let us take an example. Annual carrying cost of a material is 40% of acquisition cost, and ordering cost is 595 rupees per order. So annual demand for the material is 5,75,000 ton, and carrying cost is zero point 0.4 into 22 in 0.50, then it is equal to 9 ton per year. So ordering cost will be given as 595 per order. So EOQ is 2 into D into S divided by C under root. It will be 27,573 ton per order. We must have to order this much of quantity to have economy of scale in our inventory. We have to calculate a reorder point when we have to reorder the quantity. First order quantity we received is Q. So our stock is updated to the demand rate at Q. So when with time the consumption will happen. So our quantity will go up to Q by 4, which is represented by blue line. So at that point we have to place the order for the quantity Q, so that when it go to the minimum level we receive the order quantity. When we receive the order quantity, the our stock will be updated and it will go up to Q demand rate. Then again we will repeat this cycle for the next order also. So why it is important EOQ? EOQ is important because it improve profit of a company, and optimum schedule for the ordering quantity it define, and it is a good balance between demand and the placing the order of the quantity. EOQ मॉडल को एक बार आप अपनी इन्वेंट्री मैनेजमेंट में आजमाइएगा ज़रूर. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. प्लीज़ like, share and the video and subscribe the channel. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.